Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to know if someone is online on Tinder. The green dot on Tinder indicates that the user has been active within the past 24 hours, referred to as recently active. It's Tinder's way of showing that the user has been online recently, giving you a clue that they're likely available to chat. However, Tinder does not notify if someone has seen or read your messages, so the green dot is the only indicator of recent activity. If you want to turn it off, open the Tinder app and go to your profile. Click Settings, then scroll down to Recently Add Active Status. Toggle the Show Activity Status option off. When you turn this off, other users won't be able to see if you've been active recently, but note that this may make your profile appear inactive to others, potentially affecting your matches. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.